Hey, little buddy. Okay, we're working on our house pad again today. And so what we're gonna do is we have to make a ramp. So when they pull our house onto the pad right here, we gotta make a ramp so they can get their machine out of our pad. Right now you got this wall right here. So when they come through here with the machine and the house, they wouldn't be able to get out with this wall. So we got to kind of make a ramp here so they can just pull straight out. So we're going to do that, but the first thing we need to do too is get this bush out of the way. So we're going to dig that up and then go from there. And then so Granddaddy is getting the excavator all ready right now, and I'm just kind of getting ready with I'm getting this pink tape out of the way, and then we'll get to work. All right, there he is. He's got it all up here and he's gonna start digging. Now y'all see these red lines right here? The power company came out here and marked where the power line's buried. So we don't wanna go too deep because we'll hit the power line. They should be like 4 foot in the ground, so we should be fine as long as we don't go too deep. He wants me to look at something. I don't know what he's wanting me to look at.
Hey.
Yeah.
Make sure I'm away from that yellow line.
Yeah, you're good. You gotta be away from this yellow line right here. I just try to pick it up and uproot that bad boy. Oh, going back to the other side. Yeah, just pull the stump up. This orange line right here, I don't know if I told you earlier, but that's the internet line, so we can't hit that either. And it's a lot shallower than the power line. It's only like 1 foot in the ground, so it'd be pretty easy to hit. Everybody inside wouldn't be real happy with us if we hit that thing. The internet would be out. Try to get another angle on that bad boy. Smoothing the dirt out. Yeah. Yeah, you're on the ground. Yeah. No, you're in front of it. Yeah. Grab that thing. Oh. Yeah, it's up. If you thumb it, it'll come up. There it goes. Roots aren't that deep. That's good to know. I'm kind of worried that the roots will be real big, but they're not. Let's see what he's gonna do with it. Swing it around and throw it over there in the grass. Well, we ran into a little problem. Found our internet line was way farther than where we thought it was, so we dug that up and now we don't have internet. So, yeah. And now we're just gonna keep digging because it's cut. Cat's out of the bag now, so it doesn't matter. They'll come out here and fix it next week, probably 2 weeks. So, but he's digging out the slope now. All right, y'all can see the ramp starting to take place or take shape. Just getting a little bit out of the time and moving out of the way. And I'll come up here with a tractor and scoop these dirt piles up. We just need a little hill for that thing to come up. So we don't have to be super steep. Or we don't want steep. It doesn't have to be real gradual. Basically like a mini bulldozer they're going to be coming in here with. Try to get a video of that when they do it next week. Yep. Alright, so the ramp is done. Missed a little bit of it. I was inside making a phone call to the internet company to try to get our line back up. But yeah, he's just kind of touching it up now with the box blade and the orange tractor. I'll get over here so you can see the ramp. Now, you know, it's not a wall anymore, so right there you can see where how it used to be a wall. And in here, they'll just drive up the ramp. So they'll take the house and they'll drag it all the way over here and bring it around and come up through the pad and then park it right there, and then with their little machine they'll unhook it and he'll be able to drive out and go get that other piece. So not a hard job, we just hit that internet line and kind of messed us up. So that's okay. It happens. They're coming in tomorrow to fix it, so not a big deal. We'll just have to entertain ourselves with something else tonight, which will probably be a good thing for us. All right, we'll see y'all next time.